Ever wondered if you can really delete your Google Play Store purchase history? Well, I hate to break it to you, but there's no magic button to erase it all forever. Google keeps those records for tax and audit purposes, so complete deletion just isn't possible. But there are a few tricks to make your purchase activity a lot less visible. Let's start with hiding apps from your not installed list. Basically, the digital trail of every app you've ever downloaded but no longer have. Here's what you do. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon at the top right, and select Manage Apps and Device. Switch over to the Manage tab and filter for Not Installed. Pick the apps you want to remove, tap the trash can icon, and confirm. This won't erase your payment record, but it gets those apps out of sight. Next, if you want to tidy up your search activity, you can clear your Play Store search history. Just tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then General, and under Account and Device Preferences, scroll down to History and hit Clear Device Search History. If you've ever set a spending budget on Google Play, you can also hide that visual progress bar. Just head to Payments and Subscriptions, tap Budget and History, and remove the budget. Your old orders will still show up, but at least the budget tracker is gone. Now, if you're really serious about disappearing, the only way to wipe everything is by permanently closing your Google Payments profile. But here's the catch. You'll lose access to every purchase, every paid app, and you won't be able to buy anything else unless you start fresh with a new profile. It's a pretty drastic step, so think carefully. So, while you can't truly delete your entire purchase history, you can make it a lot less obvious. Keep your digital life a little tidier. Just remember the limit.